Hey guys, today we're going to make a start button that will show up in the beginning of your game and reveal everything else. So I will post this in the I did like a little instructions in here. Let's just go start for the name and make this 400. There we go. Okay. So, but first of all, what we want to do is we want to go to costumes, duplicate, and grab a paint button, and whatever color you want it to be. I can make it like a gray maybe. There we go. Okay. Like this is gonna take a while to work. Yeah. Okay, still gotta do a lot of this, and it's so much work to get this finished and fully colored. There we go. Kind of annoying this off by a bit. And that sort of stuff is in So now that so let's go. Let's make this touching. And then change this one to not touch in. So if we go to this, we go when so we go when clicked, switch costume to not touching, and then go grab this and go forever and go grab an if then touching most pointer, then switch costume to touching and basically duplicate this. Okay. And go to operators and grab a not touching most pointer and switch costume to not touching. So as you can see, when we do that, it comes off and it looks really awesome. Now let's just pick 2 characters. But we want to go to search. close this, go to Search, or choose a sprite. Just grab, I don't know, the apple. We have an apple here. And we'll go to when clicked, broadcast message 1. I mean, no, sorry. We want when this sprite clicked. And then we go to looks and go hi. And grab a show block here. And if we go to Apple, here, when I receive message 1, go to looks again, and go show. And also grab a hide, and click hide. So basically this will do this. There you go. So that's your start button. So